Okay, here I go again, take 3. Osmo camera, having difficulty loading it up, the pictures, video up to the computer. Resolution on this camera was set at 4K. And for Windows 7 it won't upload video. It doesn't recognise that higher resolution. Doesn't recognise 2.7 either. So I've got it down now to 1080p/30, whatever that is. And it uploads. Now an issue that I was getting a moment ago when I was just taking a video was the picture went dull on me. So I've just put in another battery. I mean, these things are supposed to run for, what, an hour at a time? Something like that. There it goes again. Picture's going dim on me. Why would it do that? It's telling me it's still recording now. That's not making any sense. Why would that do that? Right, let me just run it for a while. A wide angle lens on it, that's for sure. There it goes dim again. Why would it do that? Why would that go dim like that? And shuts itself off. And then turns itself on again.